Does anyone padlock their bags? No, I think not. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Anu. If you guys are new here on my channel, I hope you guys are doing all good. I mean, considering everything that has been happening in the year of 2020. I know I've been MIA. I always say this every time I go away for like a very long time, but this whole pandemic has been crazy, absolutely crazy. And because I'm kind of like an essential worker, I've been super busy. Hence the reason why I haven't been able to film anything or bring out any content. Hope you guys are happy to see my face back. I'm looking a little bit different. I'm looking kind of different. Hope you guys like my fit. This is very different from the other way. I'm going to try something new. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing all good. So I was sent a really cool bag by Coe Bags, spelled C-O-E-E bags.ru. This website is basically designer dupes website. So they do like designer replicas from like your Louis Vuitton, your Gucci, your Chanel, Hermes, Dior, YSL, Fendi. They do the whole shebang. So you guys can definitely check it out. Anyways, they sent me the bag via DHL. It did take a little while. I think it took just over 2 weeks, but then I can understand because of the whole lockdown and the whole pandemic and all that stuff. So things were just delayed just because of the situation. It came in this box. I've already opened this just so you guys know. It came in this Louis Vuitton. Just in case you guys are wondering why I'm looking down, my screen is down there so I can kind of see, make sure that I'm in shot and things are in shot. But it came in this Louis Vuitton box. The box is not the greatest, I must say. The box is quite flimsy, and I know the real deal would not come in a flimsy box like this, but it's fine for the price. I mean, I'm not really going to be carrying around the box, I might know. Yeah, it came in a box like this. It comes with some like cards and all that jazz. It actually comes with a receipt, but that is crazy. So it comes with a Louis Vuitton card. I've never bought anything designer before, so relax. I don't really know what this card is supposed to be, but it comes with that card if you guys are interested. It comes with a Louis Vuitton receipt saying it's from Hong Kong. Yep. It also comes with another receipt. I'm not really sure why it comes with so many receipts, but it comes with another receipt. And then it comes with another Louis Vuitton card. I'm not really sure what this card is supposed to be. A Louis Vuitton receipt. It comes with another Louis Vuitton receipt. It comes with 3 receipts. Oh my god. So yeah. But the box, the receipts, the cards, that's gorgeous. Now let's get to real deal. This is the bag. It actually came packaged like this plastic bag, and then it comes with the dust bag, which is just regular schmigula, and then the piece de resistance, the gorgeous Louis Vuitton bag. This is the Louis Vuitton Alma BB bag. I absolutely love this bag. Now I actually chose this bag from the website because I wanted it for such a long time, and I'm so impressed by the quality of this bag. You guys can see that the leather is just, this is so good quality, guys. I must say, from this day I'm gonna take off all of this stuff. I can't wait to finally carry this bag. Oh my god, it smells, to be honest, it does smell like raw leather. It's got this stuffing. Ooh, that's a lot of stuffing. Okay, it's got more stuff on the, it's got more stuff on the inside. So I'm gonna get into all these bits that comes in on the inside. So it's got red fabric lining the inside. It's got a pocket on the side so you can kind of put like cards and stuff on the inside. And that's just what the bag looks like. It's just really plain and simple, to be honest. But the stitching on this bag is really good, because those are the kind of things that I look at when I buy like designer dupes like this. I look at the stitching, I look at the finishing. I mean, if I carried it out, would anybody be able to spot me out and say, no, that is not a real deal? But this looks pretty good. I haven't actually seen the real one close up, so I can't tell you this is what the real one looks like, but this one that I have with me So far, so good. And I'm just going to show you guys little details that you guys might probably be wondering about. On the bag, it's got the Louis Vuitton signs and the Louis Vuitton logos here, just like the real one, because I actually kind of did a little compare and contrast on Google just to see if it's close enough to the real one. It's also got the Louis Vuitton engraving on the gold hardware right there. The gold hardware is very nice. It's not garish like some gold hardwares look on bags like this, but this is quite nice. It's very subtle. It's got the Louis Vuitton logo on the zipper as well, so you can zip it up. It's got the little padlock bit as well. I'm not really, does anyone padlock their bags? No, I think not. And it's got the gold hardware there. Now these are the kind of things that really irritate me when they put like these sticky tapes on the gold hardware, because then that kind of becomes a headache to take off. I'm guessing to protect it, which is good, but it kind of irritates me because then it's such a headache to take off. And that's also got the Louis Vuitton engraving. This is what the bag looks like. It's really cool. So now let's get into the bits that actually came inside of the bag. So inside of the bag, there are these other extra bits. I'm curious to see what they are. First of all, it comes with this Louis Vuitton card. I really want to know what this is. Louis Vuitton outside lining textile. Oh, it's like textile cards, but it's all in Chinese, so I can't say this is what it says. Not in English. Nope, it's not in English, so this is not really useful to me. Okay, so inside the bag, it also comes with this strap. This is really good. It comes with, because I like bags that come with straps, and I think this is a padlock. Okay, it is a padlock and a key. It comes with Louis Vuitton padlock and key, and I'm guessing this strap thing kind of attaches to it in some kind of way. I don't know how it's supposed to attach, but let's try. That does not seem right. I don't know how this is supposed to attach, but I'll watch a proper video on how it's supposed to attach and I will let you guys know. This is what it looks like, my Louis bag. I'm sure over time when I wear this will kind of become a bit more relaxed because it's a bit stiff at the moment. I'm really excited to start carrying this bag. I really like this. Thank you so much, Chloe or CEOEE.RU, for sending me this bag. I really do like this bag, and I'm looking forward to working with this company to show you guys some more stuff that they do have on their website. So I'm so excited. This is a really nice bag. It's really good quality, and the stitching around it is so amazing. I really don't know what else to say about this bag. It's just so nice. I like it a lot. I really do. Okay, so when I was recording earlier on, I forgot to mention that Chloe Bags actually sent me a discount code that you can use to get yourself 16% off any item of your choice on the website. I'll leave it on the screen as well, and I'll also leave the details as well in the description box below so that you guys can check out their website. They're also on WhatsApp, so you can communicate with them via email and via WhatsApp, and also via Instagram. Don't forget to use my code ANU to get yourself 16% off any item of your choice on the website. That's the end of this unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's been a long time coming since I filmed. I'm really sorry for the disappearance. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed to this channel, because I'm going to be having more videos coming soon. And you guys know my regular AliExpress videos are going to be coming pretty soon, so stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys real soon. Thank you guys so much. And I'll also leave all their details in the description. Wow, I cannot say that word. Wow, I cannot say that word. I'll also leave their details as well in the description. Okay, seriously? Say